Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to pay with Apple Pay on Amazon. So as you can see on your Amazon, if you want to buy something right over here, you don't have an option to buy using an Apple Pay. So what are we going to do now is go ahead to Dundle.com. So as you can see here, the homepage of the Dundle.com. So right over here on this website, you can now buy Amazon gift card. So you can use that gift card to buy a product on a Amazon. So for example, you go over and find the Amazon gift card right over here and then click on that Amazon gift card and then wait for a few seconds. And then once you've done, as you can see right over here, you can change the location where you were from, and right here you can pay using your Apple Pay right over here. So for example, I'll try to get a gift card. So click on this Apple Pay and then try to check out, and then once you've done, you can now have the gift card that you can use to buy on a Amazon. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and see you on the next video.